Find the work done by force of f of x equals 1 over x squared newtons in moving an object along the x-axis from x equal 1 meter to x equal 10 meters. First, let's write the definition of work. Work equals the integral from a to b of your force, f of x dx. So our problem will be work equals the integral from 1 to 10 of 1 over x squared dx. And before you integrate, you should change 1 over x squared to x to the negative 2 dx. Integrate this problem and you will find the work, and your answer will be in terms of joules.